Glycolic acid. My name is Sarah and I'm a medical esthetician. I've been practicing for over 15 years. Out of all the alpha hydroxy acids, glycolic acid actually has the smallest molecule, so it penetrates the deepest, stimulating collagen production. At the surface, it turns over dead skin cells, helps with fine lines and wrinkles, treats hyperpigmentation, which are brown spots, as well as acne. So glycolic acid is an all-around excellent anti-aging product for all these reasons. The problem is people tend to either overuse or underuse their glycolic acid. So if you're overusing it, what you'll experience is redness and irritation. If you're underusing it, you're probably noticing that your skin is a little bit dull and could use a little more exfoliation. At night, you want to cleanse your skin and put a little bit of glycolic acid on. Now, I'm going to show you a couple of products that I've come across that have been super beneficial for myself as well as my clients. They are pharmaceutical grade, meaning there's science behind these specific products. However, if you have found something that has worked excellent for you, please tell me about it in the comments below. And if this content is valuable to you, give it a thumbs up, maybe share it with a friend. All right, so a couple of glycolic acids I'm pretty in love with. One of my most favorite, especially if you tend to be more normal or normal to dry skin type, is this one right here, Exfoliation Accelerator by Dr. Abaji Zio's line. It is a 10% glycolic acid. The reason it's great if you tend to be more dry is because it does have lactic acid as well. This is awesome for really brightening up your complexion. You can use it 1 to 7 nights a week. I tend to use these products 1 to 3 nights a week because I'm in the office doing other exfoliation treatments. So depending on your own routine and what your skincare regimen looks like will determine how often it's appropriate for you. But again, if you're getting red, dry, and flaky, back it off. If you're looking a little dull, step it up. That's gonna be your easiest and best tip to tell what you need to do. As I've mentioned before, this is my most favorite glycolic acid. This one's mixed with retinol and it is Alpha Ret by Skin Better Science. The difference between this and intensive Alpha Ret is that intensive Alpha Ret does have more glycolic acid. So if you tend to produce more oil, you're gonna like the intensive. If you tend to be a little more sensitive like myself, this is right for you. I use this 1 to 3 nights a week on my entire face at night. I do not use glycolic acid the day before I'm going to be in the sun for an extended period of time. So in the morning, I do rinse it off, especially if I'm gonna go work out, because it will tingle, it will sting a little bit. And then lastly, I have to reach for these, and I've held these up before, but these complexion renewal pads are excellent. This is a 2% glycolic acid. I especially love using these in the summer to get off the dirt, oil, debris, and sunscreen. These, all 3 products, are appropriate for anybody who is a teenager all the way up until any age. It's just finding the right thing for you. So a little bit more like oily or you're dealing with clogged pores, you're gonna like this because they're a touch more, and they're not abrasive, but they're just a little more exfoliating. It's like a Stridex pad. And then this stuff, as I mentioned, for normal to oily or just like for me, I just get irritated so easily, so this stuff is kind of perfect. This is my safe, like this is the safest product, right? As far as like you're not gonna have any issues unless you're allergic to it, and you won't know till you try it. And if you're at all concerned when you get a new product, you do a little patch test on the side of your cheek, sleep, wake up, see how that looks. If it's red and irritated, rashy, take the product back. If it looks fine, then you know it's a go. You've got that green light. And then, as I mentioned, this one. This is just a really excellent product. I hope that one of these works for you. And if there's one you love, tell me all about it in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you next week.